Welcome back, guys. Today we have the first Apexi exhaust installed on the FL5. Firstly, this is our Pentagon front pipe, full 3-inch, beautiful mated to the Apexi mid pipe. As you can see, the Apexi mid pipe, 3-inch piping goes through the tunnel, everything perfectly without touching or hitting anything. Goes all the way back with the connected 3-inch to the valve system, factory valve system for maximum flow and power. And on the other side will be a smaller pipe. When the valve closes, it goes through the other smaller pipe. Titanium tip at the end. Apexi badge made in Japan.